If you're in the Miami Valley and dealing with water coming into your house right now, this is for you. Over the last few weeks here in the Miami Valley, we've seen a massive increase in ice dams, frozen pipes, and burst water lines. And the worst part is, most of the damage isn't what you can see, it's what's happening behind walls. My name is Ben with Ram Restoration. We're a local, family-owned restoration company, and this is what we do every single day. Most people feel overwhelmed. They don't know who to call when an emergency happens like this. They don't know how much insurance is going to cover, and they're scared of making the wrong move. We help you navigate that so that you can make a good decision and get your space restored back to where it was. So here's the good news. You don't have to juggle multiple contractors or fight the insurance company alone. Here at Ram Restoration, we handle the entire process, from the initial water mitigation and dry out to water documentation for the insurance companies, mold protection, and then the last part is full rebuild and reconstruction. So from first call to final rebuild, we walk you through it. We live here, we raise our families here, and when major storms hit the Miami Valley, we show up day or night. Our goal is simple, to reduce the damage and get you back up and running as fast as possible. If you're seeing water damage, sagging ceilings, ice dams, don't wait. Reach out today, call, click, or schedule an appointment for an inspection, and we will take a look at it and see how we can help.